Have you ever noticed how you can't really inhale and talk at the same time? I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I know that might seem like a silly question, but I've worked with many speakers over the years who don't truly understand how efficient and effective breath flow can really cause our voices to ring out. And when we speak in public, our voices want to ring out. Right, Barbies?
Right.
Your voice is a part of you, and our bodies are our vocal instrument. The two really should be working together. Now, I see the same 4 problem areas over and over again, and the one we're going to talk about in this video today is lack of breath. See, many people just don't think about the fact that we're constantly exhaling while we're speaking. And so it's our breath that is actually causing our voice to carry. So Boca-Roan Barbie is going to help me demonstrate what happens when you try and speak without sufficient breath. Now I'm going to start out with a nice healthy breath flow and then slightly clench my abdomen to stop it, so you can hear the difference. Hi, I'm Barbie, and we're going to talk about some stuff today. Wow, what a difference. And what a difference it will make when your voice starts to ring out on your breath. That way your audience will truly listen to and remember you. This is just one of the many speaking tools you will learn in my new online class. P.S. For public speaking, your voice could be better, starting this October. Now, to help you determine if this class is a good fit for you and to answer any general questions you may have about your voice, I am offering a free webinar coming up October 12th, Friday at noon Pacific Standard Time. Remember, the world needs your authentic truth spoken in your authentic voice, and I'm here to help. This class, P.S. Your voice could be better, is a small, intimate training with room for only 12 people, so you'll want to secure your spot right away. Thank you so much for joining Barbie and I for this video today, and remember, click the link below to sign up for the free webinar. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.